How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is my outfit of the day. Starting with my hair. It's a wig by Sister Wig. It's a left side part bob. And I got it from Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. Okay, I have on the top I got from Fashion Bug many years ago. The store is not even in existence anymore. And I like the back detail on it. I have on stretch capris. We got these from Romans. So I want y'all to see this beautiful back. That's the best thing about this blouse. I like the cold shoulders. I like the back. The animal prints. Of course, this is a lion on the front, but I don't care about that. But anyway, let me get my pose on. Let me stand in front of that box right there. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Enjoy your weekend and stay safe. Bye.